Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Life Mechanic Workshop. In this video I want to show you how to install piston. Yes, as you can see, this is the engine block. This is engine block and the piston. Everything are set right now. So I'm about to start the work right now. About to start the fixing. Please watch this video to the end. Like and subscribe. Drop your comments. Yes. This is the engine blocks and this is the piston. This is the hammer that I want to use. That's the piston ground. And the piston ground. As you can see now, before you install rinse or install piston, you have to lubricate it. You lubricate the engine block and lubricate the rinse so that it will not bind. As you can see right now. Watch this video to the end. Like and subscribe, please. Watch it to the end. Like and subscribe to support me so that I will know my limitation and put more effort. God bless you. That's how I'm lubricating the block chamber so that it will pass smoothly. Here you see the position. You see that dot will face front. So while you are installing your piston or while you are dismantling your engine, you have to be very careful of the direction your piston is facing, because if you loosen the engine without knowing the direction and if you are fixing back, you misplace the direction you use. Instead of piston facing front, you turn piston to down, because there's an engine that they will not show you points. There are some engine that will not show you points of the piston, so you have to be very careful of when you are doing that. If you miss it, you will have problem with the engine. Yes, that's it. You have problem. And this one now, the rinse has come out, it could not pass, so I'm removing. I want to regram it. I want to regram it so it will pass easily. As you can see, that one is okay. That one is okay. As you can see, that one is okay. Thank you for watching. Watch this video to the end, so that in the end of this video you see how to couple the metals, how to fix the metals in the end of this video. So you watch to the end. This is how I'm installing the piston. Then you will see how I'll install the metals. Now, the end of this video, I will install the metals. Then in my next video, I will show you how to couple the top, from top gasket to top, to coupling the song, to timing. I'll show you everything so that you have such challenge. If you watch this video, you learn a lot. You learn a lot from this video. Now this one I've installed number 1. Now this is another number that about installing. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching the video. That's the piston gram. This is my humble self, life mechanic. As you can see, it will gram it fine so that it could pass. Else the piston will come, the rings will come out, and if the ring come out and you force it to install it, you end up breaking the ring. So you have to tighten it very well. You have to tighten it very well so the ring will pass very smoothly. But if you force it, you break the rings. And when you break the rings, you know that you buy complete rings because of the one rings that you broke. So while doing this, you have to be very careful. You have to pay attention to whatever you're doing. Don't allow anything to distract you while installing your piston, because this is same thing as a doctor doing an operation. So the doctor will not allow anything to distract him or her. So while you are doing this, don't allow anything to distract you. Don't allow people around to come around, fill you with discussion or one thing or the other. Be very cautious here. Have to be very, very careful. This is the human, this is the engine anatomy that you are operating. So be very careful here, because any mistake that you do here will end you destroying things. So and you end up removing this engine once again, uninstalling the engine and losing this engine again. So you have to be very careful here. Whatever you do, be very, very careful, else you buy market. Because when you call the owner of the car, say this is what happened, he will not listen to you, because he already given you the money to buy what was required. So if you now call it, says that this is what happened again, it's for your own pocket, it's your own cup of tea. So you have to fetch out money from anywhere and source for this car and give the owner his motor. So while installing rings, while filing rings, while doing anything in the engine, be extra careful here so that you don't make mistake. So as you're watching this video, I would like you to subscribe, and comment. Like and subscribe and comment. We got to life mechanic. Thank you very much for watching. So like and subscribe, drop your comments. I'll be very glad to hear from you so that I'll be able to serve you more. Thank you. So if today is the first time watching my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Drop your comments. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. As you can see, this V6, this Nissan Frontier, this same engine you can find it in Nissan Xterra. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching. God bless you. This is my first video. I will drop another video on how to install the top cylinder. Now this is the pistons. These are the metals that I wanted to lock it. If you don't touch this side, then knowing that you have not started, because the minute you start this car, if you don't touch this cap, you destroy everything. So you have to be very careful. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a great day. I've given this engine 5 years guarantee. So if you need my service and you're around Nigeria, you can call me and I will deliver for you.